Have you ever pondered about the thin line between financial freedom and a lifetime of mounting debts? Let's delve into the gripping story of a man whose life was dictated by this very balance. Once upon a time, there lived a man who reveled in the allure of luxury, choosing to live in the moment rather than planning for the future. His lavish lifestyle was funded by a dangerous habit: borrowing. He was sowing the seeds of his own downfall, planting a garden of debts that would soon grow into a forest of financial woes. The more he borrowed, the deeper he sank into the quagmire of debt. His possessions, once symbols of his affluent lifestyle, became mere tokens of a past life, as he fled from his creditors to distant lands. This man's story serves as a stark reminder of the perils of poor financial management. His debts, his greatest enemy, forced him into a life of humiliation and trouble. His path to prosperity was blocked by a mountain of unpaid bills and unfulfilled obligations. But what if he had chosen a different path? Imagine a world where he decided to live within his means, allotting no more than 9/10 of his earnings to his expenses, while saving the remaining 10th. Over time, this small fraction would have added up to a sizable sum, a financial safety net to fall back on. His debts would have been manageable, his financial health robust. He could have also taken control of his expenditures, understanding that necessary expenses often have a way of expanding to match our income. By setting a budget, he could have ensured his necessities and pleasures were taken care of, without exceeding the 9/10 of his earnings. In summary, the man's tale illustrates the importance of good financial management. The key lies in living within one's means, controlling expenditures, and setting aside a portion of one's earnings. The surest path to financial stability is not through reckless borrowing, but through thoughtful planning and disciplined saving. Remember, it's easier to pay your debts than to avoid them. The road to financial success may be challenging, but with the right approach, it's certainly achievable.